5 seconds to go. Start. Therefore, it was not possible for the prosecution to present Lakshmi Narayan as a prosecution witness. He therefore submits that there is no merit in the criminal appeal, which should be dismissed. Submissions made by learned counsel for the parties have received the due consideration of the court. Question for consideration is whether the prosecution could establish the culpability of the appellant in the murder of Satya Narayan beyond any reasonable doubt. In other words, whether the prosecution could prove the charges against the appellant under sections 148 and 302 and 149 IPC beyond any reasonable doubt. To answer the aforesaid question, it is necessary to briefly analyze the evidence on record. PW1 is Shri Shravan Kumar, son of late Satya Narayan. He is the informant in the case. In his examination in chief, PW1 stated that his father, late Satya Narayan, was one of the three brothers, Shri Dev being the eldest and Lakshmi Narayan alias Daroga being the younger. Shri Dev had four sons, viz. Munnalal, Raju, Nitya Nand, Appellant, and Pappu. His uncle Lakshmi Narayan was issueless and was residing with Satya Narayan. Lakshmi Narayan gifted all his property to the informant and his brothers, that is, to the sons of Satya Narayan. This was not to the liking of the accused persons, which resulted in litigation and enmity. He further stated that on the fateful day at about 4:30 p.m., his father Satya Narayan, uncle Lakshmi Narayan, and himself, after easing themselves at about 4:30 p.m., had reached Ambagad Akhada Har Ki Podi. At the same time, Kuldeep and Bhola Shankar came. Informant and his uncle Lakshmi Narayan started a conversation with the above two persons, and while talking with the two persons went ahead and reached the temple of Govardhan Nathji. Father of PW1 Satya Narayan had got down from the stairs for bathing in the Ganga at Har Ki Podi. In the meanwhile, from the southern side of Tulsi Park, the accused persons came. While Shri Dev was armed with a danda, Munna Lal was armed with kanta. Raju and Uchchav were armed with knives. Appellant Nitya Nand was carrying a country-made pistol in his hand. As they confronted Satya Narayan, Shri Dev exhorted the other accused persons to kill him. Thereafter, the accused persons caught hold of his father and started assaulting him with knives and kanta. As Satya Narayan cried for help, Bhola Shankar, Kuldeep, Lakshmi Narayan, and PW1 rushed to help him. They had reached the Bharoji temple when Appellant Nitya Nand fired a shot in the air from his country-made pistol to frighten PW1 and the others. Taking advantage of the situation, the accused persons made good their escape from the crime scene through the southwestern side. As PW1 went near his father, he found that his father had received multiple injuries inflicted by knives and kata on his head, cheek, neck, back, and ribs. His father Satya Narayan had died on the spot with half of his body inside the water. While blood was splattered on the spot, sandal of his father was lying on the stairs with stick in the water. PW1 stated that he had dictated a report of the incident on the spot to Kuldeep Kumar Tiwari, son of Ram Prakash, who had scribed the same. After he had completed writing down what was dictated, scribe Kuldeep Kumar Tiwari read over the same to PW1 and thereafter took his signature. PW1 stated that he, along with his uncle Lakshmi Narayan, went to the police station in a tricycle rickshaw and handed over the report to the in charge of the police station, who registered a case and handed over a copy of the same to PW1. Stop.